Hi everyone, Deb here. This is the first month in a while that I've gotten a Bargain Bead Box, which came in this pretty blue envelope. And this is how it came wrapped up. I have not opened it. Yeah, they used the paper that comes with it for wrapping. So I'm going to undo this and take things out, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So it was wrapped in the paper and then in white tissue and this pale blue organza bag and then in these little baggies. Now, this is the first month I've gotten a box since they changed the way they do this. They now have a description and the retail price. I'm assuming that's retail. On the package, they no longer have the number of the item, like 1 through 18 or 19 or whatever. There's 18 items this month. I got them all. Let's read the description together, though. This is called Sparkling Snowfall. It's a winter wonderland. An apatite teardrop pendant, which is gorgeous, I must say, is this month's centerpiece with micro-faceted 3mm apatite rounds. I love apatite, a strand of 8mm blue agate, which is also pretty, and dyed tiger iron to match. Icy accents of crystal, glass, and gemstone combined with a set of snowy silver findings to complete the collection. And of course, there's a coupon code for people that subscribe, and there's also a contest where you can take pictures of your items and put them on their Facebook group called Bargain Bead Box Creative Corner. They changed that, and share your photo, and then they do a giveaway, and it will be announced, it says, in February. So that's that, and then here is the list, Sparkling Snowfall Collection, and I am going to go ahead and write on here December 2023, so I know because I keep mine in their pouches until they are gone. I don't put them in a box, and because I like to know where it came from. So the first thing on the list is the approximately 30mm apatite teardrop pendant, and the value is $7.99. They also now put the value next to each item, and I love that. If you have a jewelry business and you use this, that's kind of important so you know how to price your things, right? And I was actually, in the past when I made things, I was trying to estimate these based on their website first and then anywhere I could find something similar. So I love that they've done this now. And yeah, so this is the apatite pendant. It's sort of puffy. It's smooth, but it's not perfectly flat on either side. And there is a hole right here at the top. So it's drilled front to back. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a beautiful stone. This is apatite, and this says 39mm. I don't have my proper measuring tool for jewelry items here at the moment. I'm at a different desk. Okay, then we have a 14.5-inch strand, 8mm London blue agate, dyed and heat treated, DH, that's what that stands for. Round beads, and the value of this is $9.99. Agate's gone up, I can tell you that. Retail value, of course, not on sale and not a wholesale closeout price. But still, isn't that gorgeous? I love the colors. I might use this for my Joy of Blue collab. Not my collab, but the collab I do on the 12th. So come back and see. I don't have time today. I was going to try and go ahead and design with me, but maybe we'll do that for Joy of Blue. This is number 3, 7.5-inch strand, 3mm apatite faceted round beads, and the value is $6.99. They're gorgeous. They're tiny, but they're so pretty and sparkly. Ugh, they have a really small hole. Okay, and then a 13-inch strand, 6mm crackle agate, dyed heated. It's funny that it's dyed heated anyway, and it's matte actually. It's kind of frosted, it says. Frosted round beads, $6.99 value. The frosting process actually is um, apparently harder to do than just the regular smooth. That's pretty for a winter snowfall collection. And then next we have 10 millimeter, 7-inch strand, 10 millimeter tiger iron round beads. Now these are looking green to me. When I took them out of the bag at first they looked blue, but now they sort of have a green brown, a little maybe teal, like a teal green brown. But here they're coming across, and they, to my eye now, they're looking more like a hunter green. So I don't know. I haven't seen tiger iron in that color. I usually see it in brown, and there is brown in it. It's like a dark green with brown, but there's a little bit of teal in it too. Anyway, there's those. They're 10 millimeter smooth rounds, and there's a good amount on it. They're pretty. They just, I don't know if I'd use them with the apatite. Anyway. Then next we have 7.5-inch strands, 6 millimeter moonstone in quotes, because it's not real moonstone. Glass round beads, frosted aqua. Oh, those tiger iron were $5.99 value. This is set as $6.99 value. Wow. Hmm. Okay. I don't know if I agree with that for a 7.5-inch strand, but okay. I'm going to go with it because that's what they said. Maybe they've gone up in price too. And then we have some snowflake beads in silver, but they're calling them hematite, man-made. Hang on, I'll get them up here. These are definitely beads. They are drilled, on the side to side, or top to bottom, however you want to do it. And they're calling them 6 by 7 millimeter hematite parentheses man-made and snowflake beads in silver, $3.99 value, and there's 20 pieces. I didn't count them, but that's what they're telling me. They're nice. I like them. I also like this next thing. These are called 14 by 8.5 millimeter 10 piece crystal faceted twist beads in slate blue iris, $3.99 value. These are definitely twisted. They are, says slate blue, but they're like half slate blue and half black diamond or gray. I don't know if you can see that. And they're definitely twisted. Very pretty. Very pretty. They're different. I like them. And those are 14 by 8.5 millimeter, if I didn't say that. And then next we have 13-inch strand 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in crystal AB. Also $3.99 value. Wow. We used to get these for like $1, right? At bargain, at Bead Box Bargains. $3.99. So they're quoting retail value before any discounts, I think. Then these are number 10, 13, 5.5-inch, 13 by 9 millimeter glass top drilled teardrop beads in crystal AB, and $2.99 value. A little less because there's no faceting. These are okay. This one, I don't know if oh, there's something stuck on it, I guess. Maybe that's, see, yeah, I don't know. I think that was just something stuck on it. I hope that wasn't the AB coating coming off, because the coating does look a little funky. I don't know. Yeah, like here, oh, that bead is broken. That one is broken. Maybe that's why that was coming off. I don't know, but that one is sharp. So, but otherwise, they're okay. Not my favorite. Top drilled, I find harder to work with, but they're doable. Okay, then we have two-piece, 22 by 20 teal coated fan pendants. They feel like enamel. There's some kind of coating, obviously. They're kind of cool. They're different. Almost like it's a fan, but to me it almost looks like a fireworks coming down, you know what I mean? Anyway, I like the color, I like the design, and there's two of them for a value of $1.99. It says they are lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Okay, and they're coated on both sides, double-sided. Those will most likely be earrings for me, of course. And then next we have two-piece 14 by 12 millimeter platinum plated brass snowflake charms. $3.99 value for two. One side is sort of there you can see it, it has texture, and the other side is smooth. Those could also be well, there's some texture on that side, but not as much as the other side. It's more, I guess they're textured on both sides. All right, I lied. They're textured on both sides. Just one side seems more textured to me. And then next up is 28 by 11 millimeter stainless steel laser cut triple snowflake link. It has a hole on either end. It's very shiny and it has a curve. This is nice for like a bracelet, right? And that's probably what I'll do with it because it's already pre-bent. It has a nice thickness to it. Stainless steel laser cut triple snowflake link, $3.99 value for that and those brass charms. That seems high to me for those. And then next up is, is that right? Oh no, two-piece 12 millimeter stainless steel snowflake cutout links. They have tiny little holes on either side of the snowflake, and they're shiny on both sides. And those have a $1.99 value. There, you really need a thin wire or jump ring. Maybe a 20 gauge would go through that, but the holes, this one looks wider than the holes on this one. So I don't know about those. I'll have to play with it. Then we got a whole pack, 10 grams, I didn't count them yet, of 5 by 2 rondelles in, it doesn't say what they're made of. It just says lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, and they're $2.99 value. I like these. They're smooth, and they are a good size. The 5 millimeter is a great size for a spacer bead. I like that size because you can use it, you know, with your 6 millimeters or larger beads if you want to as well. And I think I used to have some that size, and I think I recently finished them. They're also nice for like the collar on angel earrings and things, you know, or even maybe the halo. I don't know. Then we got 4 sets, 20 by 12 millimeter toggle clasp, swirled toggle clasps, lead-free, cadmium-free. It does not say nickel-free. And I think I've had these before. These are kind of lightweight and smaller toggle clasps. They have this swirl design. It is double-sided, so that's nice. They're a nice size. You hook your, these are a little different than what I had. I don't remember that loop being like that on the ones I had before. Anyway, those are only $1.99 value for 4 sets. And then we have bead caps, which I can always use. These are 6 millimeter petal, let's see, let me read it to you. 6 petal bead caps. I think I actually just used some like similar to this not long ago. And these are lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, $2.99. It doesn't say the material. Yeah, they're just silver tone, I'll just call them. Okay, they're sort of an antique silver tone. Oops, and that one wanted to be with the chain. There we go. And number 18, the last item, is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel curb chain. This is a nice fine chain. It's a little hard sometimes to put jump rings through the holes, but um, I think there's enough room for a thin jump ring to go through if you need to, or wire. Sorry for the glare, but that's the last item. I love getting the meters of their chain because I like chain. So that is the box, Bargain Bead Box Sparkling Snowfall Collection for the month of December. My favorites are the Apatite and all the blues. I do like the frosted agate, was it? Crackle agate? Yeah. And I do like the tiger iron too, but I don't know if I'll use it with the the blues. Maybe I will. We'll see. I'll come up with something. So stay tuned and I'll be making some things. Maybe I'll do a design with me. I don't know if I'll do an actual make it with me, but a design with me kind of video or two with this. And I'm looking forward to getting back into Bargain Bead Box again for this and the next 5 months anyway. I did a 6 month subscription, so we'll see after that. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.